Hi, David Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete. Today we're going to be showing how to clean brick with the pressure washer. We're using the DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer. Has a bunch of different adapters on it. It's got the 25 degree, 40 degree. It's got the jet nozzle. It's got the 15 degree. Also, it has a soap dispenser, so you can add soap and blow that out on there initially. In this case, I tried a few different type tips for this. I started just with a 25 degree, and it wasn't working as good as I wanted it to, but you can see it is working, but not that quickly. So I switched to the turbo nozzle, and that was much better. But here I have muriatic acid diluted with water. You know, the muriatic acid that you put in a swimming pool? That's what I'm using here, just to kind of break it up. I diluted that to about 5 parts of water, 1 part muriatic acid. Sprayed that on there. Basically what this is, it's black moss or black algae. So I didn't really broom it or sweep it or scrub it. I just broke out the pressure washer. You can see it's making a big difference. It was getting kind of slippery out here actually on this moss. These bricks are set in sand, so they're sucking up a lot of water from the ground. So the algae and moss grows really quickly on it. But this is a quick way to knock it off. And the beauty of this whole procedure in cleaning the brick is that this particular pressure washer, I happen to have 2 of them, and I'm going to be giving one away. And the key word is I want the DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer. You put that in the comments, and then we're going to take everyone that comments, put it in the Google randomizer, and you automatically get entered into a drawing. They'll shoot out the number or the name, and in the next video that we post, I'll shout out the winner. Just email me with your address and I'll send it out. Right here I'm using that turbo nozzle, much quicker and just a lot faster than the fan tip. That muriatic acid usually works really well, but it didn't work that great here, so I just abandoned that idea and I just went straight pressure washer. While I was at it, I hit the window, the side of the house, the screens, the lawn furniture. It worked really well for all that stuff. You can wash your truck, your vehicles with this pressure washer. A lot of handy uses for it. The weeds and grass that are growing up through the bricks, it chopped those right off. Works wonders for your outdoor furniture. The nice thing about using a pressure washer when you're cleaning stuff up is you're only using 1.1 gallons per hour of water. So you're saving a lot of water when you're using this. Right now, in my area in California, you can't wash your vehicles, you can't wash your driveway because you're wasting a lot of water out of a garden hose. But if you're using a pressure washer, you can still do that because you're only using, like I said, 1.1 gallons per hour. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe in order to get entered into the drawing. Have a good one.